It looks like our audio did not record when we actually shot this whiteboard recap, so here I am doing a little voiceover. Now the first thing you'll notice, of course, is that Aaron and I are wearing very similar shirts. And I think this goes to the core of the OnCompare team. Not only do we work well together, we dress well together. We can step in and fill each other's roles and wear each other's shirts. Alright, I'm pointing at the whiteboard here, and things I'm pointing at are really the inspiration for the requirements of this OnCompare prototype. Now, normally when we're writing software, of course, we pull our requirements from our users. And in this case, we've done just that. We've gone out and done some customer development. We figured out where our customers' pain points are. And one of the things we're going to do is we're going to test, can we alleviate this pain that our customers have told us about? But in many senses, we are our own customers. As a lean startup, we've got a number of things that we need to make sure that we can do for ourselves. Like, can we monetize? So we're going to test, how do we monetize? Which ways are most effective, which ways aren't. We're going to test virality. Can we build marketing into OnCompare, or will we need to end up having to do our own marketing in AdWords and intense SEO campaigns? We're going to test, can we build a community? Can we build something that's more defensible than just an algorithm and a set of data? Can we build a community where people come and provide extra value? We're going to test recommendation models. We've mentioned before that the Yelp model we don't think fits very well, so we're going to test and see what does work. Alright, so now we'll get to try my Aaron impression. Hi, my name's Aaron. I'm really good at poker, and I can point at things on a whiteboard too. So the things I'm pointing at now are how we originally envisioned breaking up the workloads for the members of our engineering team. They were around things like core infrastructure, the algorithm, data gathering, data model, and widgets, things like this. But we realized that those were too broad in scope and left too much up to interpretation, and really opened us up for scope creep, a real potential problem for a 3-week project like this. So what we did instead was take a very kind of agile approach and wrote everything down in the notion of stories. So we've taken big high-level concepts, broken them each down in terms of stories with respect to what a user might do on the website, and we've listed them out here. And instead of assigning broad categories to developers, we simply have a list of all these stories, and we're going to store them in a product called Agile Zen, and then developers can pick those stories off in a way that makes sense for them. Now, typically they're going to end up pulling off cards or stories that make sense to the work they've already done. But if they haven't, then they can just simply jump in anywhere. And this makes it really flexible and easy for people to both jump on other workloads if necessary, if someone falls off of the project or gets sick. But it also means that we have people who know a lot about the different components of the software. All right, thanks so much for watching Whiteboard Recap 2.